Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create leads in a proper way. In a proper way, I'm going to show you how to make the leads. Okay. So what do I mean by in a proper way? Basically, in my nature of view, there are three types of leads. First type of leads for cash order leads. Cash order leads. The second type of lead is spammer leads. Okay, and the third type of leads is area wise leads. Area wise. So what is the difference between these three types of leads? The cash sorter leads actually gets high balance logs. The spammer leads gets a high number of results. The area wise leads are a targeted area, spammed targeted area leads. Okay, so basically in creating of area wise leads, you must have to see that like I'm creating leads for San Francisco city, so for the for Chase Bank. Okay, so basically I will review the area properly in the map and see where is the branches of the Chase, and we will research in the inner part of the San Francisco for getting the area codes on the particular branches. Okay, but in cash order leads and in spammer leads, in as cash order leads we must have to target rich areas. So how can we make the cash order leads? Let me show you. For making cash order leads, you must have to do is like very simple. You must have to research richest cities of United States, like how I researched richest city of United States. Sorry. Okay, so when you research the richest city of United States, you note down those, and then research whatever bank have the highest number of branches in the particular cities of. Okay, so like San Jose have Chase BO and Wells Fargo branches. San Francisco have Wells BO Chase. Washington had Chase CCB and Key Bank. Bridgeport had M&T and BOA. Boston have, and the others Cambridge have BOA and Citizens. So we have researched this, completed the research. When we completed, we must have to find all those area codes of these areas by the like this I find it richest cities and those area codes. Okay, so I got it richest city and those area codes. San Jose have 408669, all those area codes I found it. When I done this, I come to this part and created my area codes for making the leads. Final target to the pen for high balance. Okay, so basically I created this. I got this, the Wells codes, the Chase codes and the Citizen codes. When I got this, then I realized to do what is then we have to go to our tool and create our leads by area codes. Basically what we have to do is open our tool and like open the numify or whatever generator you are using, generate the area codes. Then in next step you have to generate numbers using your area codes. Whatever your area code you researched and created, you have to generate. Always remember that spam as much as area code possible at a time. So like if you are making 10K leads, you have to get like yeah 10 to 20 area codes is almost fine. Not you have to do like one, two, or three area codes. Not be dependent on that. You must have to take more area codes as much as possible as you can research. Okay, so like this you have created area codes. Okay, when you have created area codes, you have to generate the numbers. You have to generate the numbers in the next step. What is this step? In this step we provide the area code, the three digits of the number, but the seven digit what comes after that three digits, x, the seven digit what comes after that three digits will be generated randomly by computer. Okay, so how we know that these seven digits and the whole number is correct or not? So basically in order to, most of the person use Amazon in their daily life, who uses online bankings, they use Amazon in their daily life to do shopping. And the other thing is they use Instagram or Facebook like social media social media. So the validation or validating that the number is right or wrong, we must have to do one of the validation between a social media or a shopping site like Amazon. Amazon is always good for validating. Okay, so you must have to validate all those number, all the number you have generated. You must have to validate the generated number with Amazon. Okay, so before doing that you must have to validate the carriers. In order to do sender, whenever you do send out, you must have to validate a carrier, 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 because a generated number can be fixed line, landline, landline, and mobile. So what we have to target is mobile numbers, not the landline or fixed line number. So you must do have to do is the other validation called HLR lookup. HLR lookup. In HLR lookup, basically you get the information about the generated number what informations you get is that which type of number is that mobile. If mobile, then which carrier is that, T-Mobile or ATT or ATT, like this. Okay, then after when you done this, when you done on this step, like you have done HLR lookup, you got two mobile leads. T-Mobile leads means uh, you have selected the numbers is from T-Mobile and a mobile user. In your generated numbers you selected the T-Mobile. Now you have to validate this T-Mobile leads with that how many numbers are correct in these leads, how many numbers are real time numbers which is really a person are using. Okay, so basically for that you have to do, so you can do the social validate, or you can do the shopping validate. So basically now in this world there are two things that every person uses in their life, that will be Amazon or any other social media like Walmart in the US, or that will be the social media like Facebook or the Insta. So this will show you that the person is really using any of these. That means that is a person. That number is not fake. Now, in the third step of validation, you have to target your email target. Like if you want a good backlog, so you must have to get the email access. Okay, so email access basically provides you the 50% of access of the owner and the log. Okay, so 50 to 70% of access, and email access have a easy way to cache out. So you must have to get email access. For getting email access, you know that you gave if I give you a Gmail ID and a password of Gmail, you will not able to log in because of 2FA. Okay, so for that you will deselect the Gmail addresses in their list. You can, for that you can do is remove the Gmail, remove the numbers which is registered with Gmail. Okay, so you can remove the numbers which is registered with Gmail. Or if you can't do, if you don't want to do this, because you know Gmail is fine, so let's do a validate called Yahoo validation. Yahoo validation helps you to target the numbers which is registered with Yahoo. Okay, so when you done with this, you can validate Outlook. Okay, but when you are targeting a rich area, I suggest you to do the three validations. when you're targeting the reach area, I suggest you to do three validation. The first one will be HLR lookup. The second one will be the Amazon validate. Okay. And the third one will be Office 365. Office 365. So basically, Office 365 validation help you to create business leads. So when you're done with these three steps, you will probably get good logs like 100k plus or 50k plus, 20k, even a million log you can get easily. Okay. So this is the steps to creating a good, really nice leads. Okay. So I hope you like this video, and now for today I'm going bye bye. I will come back with another video later, and this is me or Torisking. You can message me on Telegram if you have any problem, and if you want to buy pre-made area codes, you can take from me. I will give you area codes to spam and create leads.